Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is another pronunciation lesson, and we are going to study the sound as in bird. Today's lesson is a beginner pronunciation lesson. We are going to talk about one sound. The sound we are going to talk about is the sound, as in bird or word. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles and it may help you understand a little more. First, we are going to go over the sound. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This is a long sound. To make this sound, you need to relax your mouth and tongue. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. Er. Now, listen to the sound and repeat after me. Er. Good. Now, let's try it with some words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Bird. Bird. Word. Word. Early. Early. Good job. Next, we're going to talk about how this sound is often spelled. The sound will be spelled with a IR, like this. Bird. Birthday. Thirsty. Or with a OR, like this. Word. World. Worse. Or a UR, like this. Turn. Thursday. Or a OUR, like this. Journey. Or a EAR, like this. Earth. Learn. Heard. Or a ER, like this. Germany. Verb. Prefer. Now let's practice making these sounds using different phrases. Please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Birthday. Birthday. Word. Word. Turn. Turn. Journey. Journey. earth, earth. Verb, verb. Now let's practice making these sounds using different phrases. Please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Number 1. He went to a German university to study German. He went to a German university to study German. Number 2. Have you ever heard of this word? Have you ever heard of this word? 3. That was the worst service in the world. That was the worst service in the world. 4. The cookies weren't very good, but the cakes were. The cookies weren't very good, but the cakes were. Number 5. Which would you prefer, Thursday or the 31st? Which would you prefer, Thursday or the 31st? Good job. In this exercise, I want you to listen to a sentence and circle the words you hear. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have our sentence. And here we have two different words, sleep and slip. Listen to the recording and circle which word you hear. Don't sleep now. Did you understand it? The correct answer is sleep. Okay, do the rest of the questions just like that. Good luck. Number 1. These are my shirts. These are my shirts. Number 2. I have heard of that group. I have heard of that group. Number 3. I really like his bird. I really like his bird. Number 4. Wow, he was fast. Wow, he was fast. Now, let's go over the answers. Number 1. These are my shirts. Number 2. I have heard of that group. Number 3. I really like his bird. Number 4. Wow, he was fast. Okay, now let's do another exercise. Please listen and repeat these sentences. Which do you prefer? The picture of the surfer or the picture of the 4 horses? Which do you prefer? The picture of the surfer or the picture of the 4 horses? There is a German man with a beard standing near the door. There is a German man with a beard standing near the door. Today is the 3rd of March. Today is the 3rd of March. There is a large car parked near the church. There is a large car parked near the church. The girl's purse is on the floor next to the curtains. The girl's purse is on the floor next to the curtains. That boy is wearing a pair of dirty shorts and a dirty shirt. That boy is wearing a pair of dirty shorts and a dirty shirt. Let's do another exercise. Listen and circle the word you hear. Number 1. Burn. Burn. Number 2. Bird. Bird. Number 3. Were. Were. Number 4. Worst. Worst. Okay, now let's go over the answers. Number 1. Burn. The correct answer is burn. Number 2. Bird. The correct answer is bird. Number 3. Were. The correct answer is were. Number 4. Worst. The correct answer is worst. Next, listen to me and write the number you hear. Number 1. 34. 34. Number 2. 37. 37. Number 3. 14. 14. Number 4. 21st. 21st. Number 5. 3rd. 3rd. Number 6. 13. 13. Number 7. 30. 30. Number 8. First. First. Okay, now let's go over the answers. Number 1. 34. Number 2. 37. Number 3. 14. Number 4. 21st. Number 5. Third. Number 6. 13. Number 7. 30. Number 8. First. So today we learned a new sound. The sound symbol is this. And it is used in words like bird, whir, and burn. It is very often spelled using an IR, OR, UR, OUR, EAR, or ER. I hope that you learned a lot in today's lesson. Remember, improving your pronunciation takes time. So it's okay to watch this video and do the practice exercises 2 or 3 times. If you like today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.